Bullish Sushiswap cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5.85 and $11.05 by 2030. Market experts accept Sushi could reach $4.55 by 2025. Sushiswap presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by a mysterious designer known as culinary expert Nomi. The task started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging charges. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them prizes as Sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging expenses. The Sushiswap group has been reprimanded for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. In any case, the undertaking has kept on filling in notoriety and stays one of the top DES on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious designer known as culinary specialist Nomi, and later procured by FTX Trade. The vital element of Sushiswap is its utilization of the robotized market creator model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage moving along as expected. Versatility. Sushiswap has proactively shown extraordinary commitment concerning its adaptability. Sushiswap has shown that it is equipped for scaling by leading fruitful symbolic trades on Ethereum's Rinkaby testnet. This shows that the group behind Sushiswap knows about the requirement for versatility and is endeavoring to guarantee that their undertaking can satisfy future need. Another motivation behind why Sushiswap is versatile is on the grounds that it utilizes a crossover verification of stake and confirmation of work agreement instrument. This implies that it isn't dependent on a solitary POW chain like Bitcoin or Ethereum, however, can rather utilize different chains if essential. This makes it substantially more adaptable and permits it to answer changes in network conditions better. For instance, its trade stage utilizes bunches, which permits clients to exchange different tokens all the while without trusting that every individual exchange will be handled. This extraordinarily decreases clog on the organization and guarantees that exchanges are executed rapidly and effectively. By and large, there are many justifications for why Sushiswap is a profoundly versatile task that ought to have the option to satisfy future need with no issues. Its utilization of various chains, grouped exchanges, and cross-breed agreement components all contribute towards making it quite possibly of the most encouraging undertaking in the digital currency space today. Sushiswap is at present worth $1.30 USD. Sushi has moved 2.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $59,421,151. Sushiswap is at present positioned 122 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $285,879,494 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Sushiswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Sushiswap value expectation 2023. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Sushi cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.95. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.82 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.56. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. In 2024, Sushiswap Sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sushi will before long outperform $3.25. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Sushi's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.60 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.86. Sushiswap value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.55 and Sushi might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.16 and a low of $3.90 in 2025. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Sushiswap effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sushi will be green in 2026. The Sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.85, with a base cost of $5.20 and a typical cost of $5.46. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized examination, we gauge the Sushi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.76 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.50 anticipated before the year's end. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2028. While Sushi is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $9.10 and a yearly cost close above $9.75 in 2029. By 2030, Sushiswap will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $10.40 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $11.05, averaging out at $10.66. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Sushi cost in 2031 is projected to be $12.74 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $12.22. And it is not yet clear whether it can keep on developing at its ongoing speed and become a key part in the DeFi space. What is the Sushiswap cost today? Today, Sushiswap is exchanging at $1.30 with an all-out market capitalization of $285,879,494. Is Sushiswap a wise speculation? In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Sushi is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Sushiswap at any point go? The typical cost of Sushiswap might perhaps reach $1.82 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Sushiswap might outperform $8.45. What amount will Sushiswap be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital currency and Sushiswap, a drawn-out interest in Sushi could see the value ascend to $8.45 inside the following 5 years.